And we're now getting some more breaking news. Amid Save Aravalli's protest, the Supreme Court takes Suo Motu Cognizance of the Aravalli Hills issue concerning what constitutes as part of the Aravalli Hill range. And the Apex Court is all set to hear the matter on Monday, that is tomorrow. So amid the rising protests and anger over Aravalli's and the Save Aravalli's protest, the Supreme Court has taken Suo Motu Cognizance of the Aravalli Hills issue and concerning what constitutes as part of the Aravalli Hill range, and it is all set to hear the matter tomorrow. My colleague Anisha Mathur is now joining us with more details on this. Anisha, what key questions is the Apex Court likely to consider tomorrow in this hearing?
Just last night, this information had come that the Supreme Court has taken Suo Motu Cognizance. Now, this is in the Suo Motu case has been titled in reference of decimation of Aravalli and ancillary issues. Now, it seems that with the kind of protests, with the kind of widespread concerns that are being raised about the Supreme Court earlier, agreeing to the CEC's or the proposed definition by the government, which is to tap the hills of Aravalli, to start considering hills at 100 meters height and 500 meters distance from each other as Aravalli range. A lot of concerns have been raised by environmentalists, by activists, by residents, that this is going to completely allow decimation of the Aravalli Hills. Now, while we do not know the exact parameters of the questions that the Supreme Court is going to consider, we do know that this cognizance, Suo Motu Cognizance, has been taken in the manner that it has. And now on Monday, a three-judges bench headed by the current Chief Justice will take it. Now, what we are looking into is the fact that since this is again a three-judge bench and the earlier order was also passed by a three-judge bench, this bench would consider referring the matter either to a larger bench or possibly modifying the earlier order.
Right. Anisha, thank you so much for all those details and for that context. So amid the growing chorus for Save Aravalli's, the Supreme Court will now relook at its own order tomorrow. And remember, there have been protests to save Aravalli's and on what constitutes Aravalli Hills. And now the Supreme Court is all set to hear the matter tomorrow. It has taken Suo Motu Cognizance and it is all set to relook at its own order that was passed on November 20th.